Hey guys, it's Suzanne Mosley with PaperPie. You can find me on YouTube and Facebook at Suzanne Shares Books. You can find me on Instagram, Suzanne_shares. My website is SuzanneSharesBooks.com. And I'm excited today to share with you one of our newest activity sets from PaperPie. This is a new division with Kane Miller EDC Creative Learning, and this is My Town. There's also Magical Adventure that is similar to this, same concept, and I love these. These are great for entertaining kiddos with non-electronic creative play, which is amazing for the imagination and amazing for their minds and their brains. And I love, again, that it's non-electronic. So the way that My Town works and the way that Magical Adventure, I don't have it to show you, but they are both sets that come with a storybook prompt, and this gives you some different story prompts that your kiddos can, you can read to them, and then they can create their own story and use their imagination based on these story prompts. Now, the Magical Adventure, it is thick cardboard pieces and it's fairy tale themed. Now, the My Town, I'm obsessed with felt. So it is a fold out felt board, and it's double-sided, so there's 8 different panels. It comes with 30 different, in this envelope, 30 different felt pieces, and along with the 24-page story starter book. So it is recommended for ages 3 and up. Some of these felt pieces are kind of small, so I think that is wise to heed that advice. So the felt pieces stick to this. Your kiddos can line it up, and 1 or 2 kiddos on each side can play, and they can spend hours and hours being creative, using all the different felt pieces to create stories, to be creative, and to just enjoy one another's company and playing together. So I highly recommend checking out My Town from PaperPie, and also Magical Adventure. Both of these are new from PaperPie, and I hope that you will enjoy them as much as I do. It's on my website, SuzanneSharesBooks.com. Thanks.